Hey there! If you're tuning in today, I want to talk about something that's not only practical but also empowering: low-maintenance beauty tips for transgender women. Beauty is such a personal journey, right? It's not about meeting anyone else's standards, but about feeling good in your skin and expressing yourself in a way that makes you happy. Now, as we dive into this, let's keep one thing clear. Beauty is not one size fits all. Whether you're just beginning your transition or you've been on this journey for a while, these tips are all about making things simpler and more manageable for your daily routine. Alright, let's start with skincare because, honestly, it's the foundation for everything. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to mean a 12-step process with dozens of products. Who has time for that every day? Instead, focus on the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. That's it. Washing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser keeps things fresh and removes dirt and oil that build up. After that, slap on some moisturizer. A good moisturizer doesn't just hydrate, it creates this beautiful, smooth base for anything else you want to do. And oh, don't skip sunscreen. Seriously, sunscreen is your best friend. It protects against aging and keeps your skin looking vibrant. The thing about skincare is consistency. Even a simple routine, if done regularly, can do wonders for your skin. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about makeup. This is where a lot of people think beauty gets complicated, but it doesn't have to be. When it comes to makeup, the key is finding your go-to products that you can rely on every day. Think of it like building a little toolkit: a good foundation or BB cream, a concealer, maybe some mascara, and a lipstick or lip balm that makes you feel fabulous. If you're new to makeup, don't stress. Start small and give yourself permission to experiment. Makeup is supposed to be fun, and you don't need to spend hours blending eyeshadow or perfecting eyeliner unless you want to. A fresh face with just a bit of color on the lips and cheeks can look just as stunning and is much faster when you're in a rush. Hair is another big part of beauty, and again, low maintenance is the name of the game here. If you're wearing wigs or extensions, find styles that don't require daily upkeep. There are so many beautiful options that look amazing with minimal effort. For those rocking their natural hair, consider a cut or style that works with your hair's texture and doesn't need constant heat styling. And if you like to dye your hair, maybe choose shades that grow out gracefully so you don't have to run to the salon every few weeks. Dry shampoo is a lifesaver too. It keeps your hair fresh on days when washing feels like too much work. Remember, your hair is your crown, but that doesn't mean you need to polish it every day to shine. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about shaving or hair removal because, let's be honest, it can be a bit of a chore. If you prefer to shave, investing in a good razor and some hydrating shaving cream can make the process smoother, literally. If shaving feels like too much of a hassle, maybe try waxing, epilation, or laser treatments if those are within your budget. Laser hair removal can be a game changer for reducing regrowth over time, especially if you have areas where hair growth can feel dysphoric. That said, it's totally okay to take breaks from hair removal. Nobody needs to be hair-free all the time unless that's what makes them happy. Let's not forget about brows and lashes. They frame your face, and a little bit of grooming here can go a long way. If you're not a fan of constant plucking or threading, brow gels and pencils are fantastic for shaping and filling in sparse areas. And if you want something really low maintenance, tinting your brows and lashes can save you time and effort. It's such a small thing, but waking up with defined brows and darker lashes can make you feel more put together before you even get out of bed. Now, here's a tip I wish someone had shared with me earlier. Multi-purpose products are the unsung heroes of low-maintenance beauty. A good tinted moisturizer can replace your foundation and sunscreen. A lip and cheek tint can give you a rosy glow without juggling multiple products. Even a simple Vaseline or balm can double as a highlighter on your cheekbones. These little hacks save time, money, and space in your makeup bag. But beauty isn't just about the surface. It's also about how you care for yourself overall. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet does wonders for your skin, hair, and nails. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to glow from the inside out. And speaking of nails, if you love having them done but hate the upkeep, consider gel manicures or press-ons. They last longer and look fabulous without you having to redo them every couple of days. And let's take a moment to acknowledge how much mental energy can go into beauty routines. For many transgender women, beauty can sometimes feel like a way of affirming our identity to the world. That's powerful, but it can also be exhausting to feel like you need to present yourself perfectly every single day. It's okay to take shortcuts, and it's okay to have days where you don't feel like doing anything at all. Beauty is about self-love and self-expression, not about meeting some imaginary standard. Sometimes, the most beautiful thing you can do is simply show up as yourself. Let's talk about wardrobe for a second because fashion and beauty go hand in hand. When you choose clothes that make you feel good, it takes some of the pressure off your beauty routine. Find pieces that fit well and make you feel confident. It doesn't have to be a whole wardrobe overhaul. Even a couple of key pieces can make getting dressed in the morning so much easier. And hey, don't shy away from accessories. A cute pair of earrings or a stylish scarf can elevate your look in seconds. Finally, I want to touch on something that's often overlooked: rest. Yes, rest is part of beauty too. Getting enough sleep, even if it's just an extra 30 minutes a night, can make a world of difference in how you look and feel. When you're well rested, your skin glows, your eyes look brighter, and your whole vibe is just more positive. And it's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good in your body and mind. So, to all the incredible transgender women out there, remember this: beauty isn't about doing it all. It's about finding what works for you and what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Low-maintenance beauty is about giving yourself grace, saving time and energy, and focusing on the things that truly make you shine. You're already beautiful, and no amount of makeup or products will change that. They're just tools to enhance the amazing person you already are. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these tips help make your beauty routine a little easier and, most importantly, a little more joyful. You deserve to feel beautiful without the stress, and I hope this inspires you to embrace the simpler side of beauty. Stay fabulous, and remember, you've got this. Until next time, take care of yourself. You're worth it. No matter where you are in your journey, remember that beauty isn't about perfection. It's about embracing who you are and expressing that in your own way. Simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing style or confidence. It's about finding what works for you and letting your unique light shine. Celebrate the small wins, whether it's nailing your skincare routine, finding a hairstyle you love, or simply feeling good in your own skin. You are radiant just as you are, and the world deserves to see that. Keep shining, keep thriving, and always remember, you're beautiful, inside and out. Stay proud, stay confident, and stay you.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.